How to make chocolate-covered gummy bears. Take your gummy bear addiction to a different level with this chocolate-covered recipe. It's fun, it's delicious, and it's a unique way to spruce up your gummies at home. Ingredients: half bag milk chocolate chips, half bag, 6 ounces, white chocolate chips, 2 pounds gummy bears, sprinkles. Instructions. Step 1: Melt the chocolates in the microwave in 30-second intervals. Stir in between intervals until fully melted. Step 2: Repeat the first step using the white chocolate chips. Step 3: Pour the sprinkles into a bowl. Step 4: Line the baking sheet with parchment or wax paper. Step 5: Dip the gummy bears one at a time and take them out using a fork. Step 6: Shake off the excess chocolate and let it drip. Pass the chocolate-covered gummy bear to another fork and dip the front part into the sprinkles. Step 7: Let it dry on the lined baking pan. Make sure to allow enough space between each gummy bear. Step 8: For gifts, pack the desired amount of gummy bears and seal. For personal consumption, store in airtight containers. Step 9: Enjoy.